In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your MKV file into an MP4. So to convert your MKV video file into an MP4, the first thing we need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer, search for Windows Store, and then click on the Microsoft Store. In the search box, go and type in the word VLC and then press Enter. Click on VLC in the top left-hand side, click on the Install button, and this is the application that we're going to use to convert the file into an MP4. So once this is finished installing, we can open up the Start menu and type in VLC, and then we can open up the VLC Media player. Once you have this application open, click on Media in the top left-hand side, click on Open File, and then go and select the MKV file that you want to convert. So mine's this one here. Once you have this file open, click on Media in the top left-hand side, click on Convert and Save, click on the Add button, and then once again, go and locate your MKV file. Once you have this uploaded, click on Convert and Save, click on the drop-down arrow next to Profile, and you need to select Video H.265 and in brackets MP4. Once you have this selected, click on the Browse button and select where you want to go and convert this video to. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 and press Save. Then go and click on the Start button. And now you'll just need to wait for this blue progress bar to get all the way to 100%. And once that's finished, that's going to convert your file into an MP4. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.